This week's Safety Toolbox talk is on safety data sheets. Do you know where to find a safety data sheet when you're working with some of these products, like say this 795 Dow caulking, or a petroleum product, or maybe even a marine paint? And then, if you do know where to find that SDS sheet, do you understand these icons, these 9 icons that are actually on the back of every product that you own and what they stand for? This marine paint, when using this, you really need to protect yourself. Respiratory protection, hand protection, splash protections, because it tells you right here that it's a carcinogen to the lungs, that it's a irritant to the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, and then also that it is very highly flammable. So every product that we use has a safety data sheet on it. It's composed of 16 sections, every single one. They're so easy to read. They're so user-friendly, and with our simple smartphones, we can Google this Dow product, this caulk. We can Google this marine paint, and we can take a look at that SDS sheet. Talk about readily accessible. Isn't that crazy? Now, it's required by Berglund to have a written hazard communication program, of which we do. And it talks about the global harmonized system, just as your safety talk this week does. The global harmonized system became a worldwide movement to coordinate the construction of safety data sheets to make them more user-friendly and easy to read. The 4th section of every SDS sheet is actually your first aid sheet, telling you if you get it in your eyes, what to do, if you inhale it, what to do, so on and so forth. But we need to protect ourselves. There's all kinds of icons written and paperwork written and written exposure plans written, and OSHA Subpart D has a hazard communication standard in the federal regulations that we teach for hours in our OSHA 30-hour class. And it talks about using cartridge filters on our full face respirator when we're using epoxies and paints. You're not going to use a particulate filter. You're going to use some type of a charcoal filter that would be recommended on the SDS sheet and on the product. And then if I'm just wearing regular safety glasses, I may entertain using a face shield also, so that this product doesn't flash up in my face and cause irritation to my skin. And then again, when I'm working with this stuff, I may have a tendency of getting it on my hands, grabbing my peanut butter and jelly sandwich and ingesting it. So I should probably consider wearing some type of a glove. Now, last year, 2018, one of the highest cited violations of 2018 was hazard communication program and lack of. We're not protecting ourselves correctly. Are we really looking at everything that we're working with every day and understanding how it may hurt me and how I should be properly protecting myself? So this week I want us to use our handy dandy text, and I want us to talk about what we're working with today. Pick out a product on your job today, something in your C box or gang box, and use it as a topic of discussion, simply reading it and telling your crew how this product can hurt you. Let's have a safe week.